Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to reset an app on Windows 11. Resetting an app can be useful if you're having trouble with it or it's not working properly. So let's get started. Here's what you need to know to reset an app on Windows 11. Head to the Windows Settings app by pressing Windows + I. Then navigate to Apps and then click on Installed Apps. Here you will find the list of all the installed apps on your computer. You can scroll through the list and select the app you want to reset, and then click on the three dots button on its right. This will open a menu with a few app settings. Now select Advanced Options from the menu. Scroll down to the Reset section. Here you have two options, Repair and Reset. You can select the Repair option. This will repair the app to try and fix it without losing any data. If it still didn't work, then select the Reset option. This will delete all the data within the app. Just confirm if you want to reset the app by clicking Reset again in the pop-up. If you don't want the hassle of manually reinstalling an app, you can let Windows do it for you in the Settings app. Since this will be like installing a fresh copy of the app, be sure to reset it only when you've tried other ways to save the program. If you can't reset an app in Settings, then you have to manually reinstall it. And that's it. You've now successfully reset an app on Windows 11. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.